we're back. So today is our second day of our vacation, and we are going to Disney's Blizzard Beach, which is going to be a first for both of us. I've never been to any Disney water parks. That's Disney Hollywood Studios over there, which we will not be going to this trip. Getting dressed up. Never been here before. This is a new experience.
It's supposed to be cold or warm.
So obviously once we get in here, I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro because it's waterproof, but I don't know if I'm allowed to bring the GoPro on the rides or stuff, so we'll have to figure that out as we go. Oh look, he skied through the wall. It's like icicles. The water park has begun. This is the first ride.
This feels good for my ankles.
Look at the snowman family.
Oh, they're melting.
They're melting.
I'll take a picture of the cute one though.
That's kind of sad.
Aww.
They're dying.
Help me. She's like, you're so cute, but I don't want you to melt.
Alright, so we're putting our stuff in our locker, so we're gonna switch over to the GoPro after this. Alright, we're on the GoPro now. I don't think we can do Tyke Speak because we're a little bit too old for that.
Aw, dang it.
Oh no, we're out of tubes. You're just a big orange blob.
For your safety as pool runners, please ride in a seated position.
I'm not allowed to bring the GoPro on the rides, so have not been able to record very much. I'm trying to at least show like the surroundings and stuff. So we rode the ski lift up to the top of the mountain, and I just wanted to show how high up we are. That's the one that we did that was very scary, going head first.
What? Cheater.
It looks slow from up here, but when you're going down head first, it's very scary.
Girl is getting stuck. She's going really slow.
I have a tube.
I got no making fun, so just like.
Have you come to join me on the raft? Trying to swim faster than you, but the waves are making it hard. Goodbye, my love.
Better not find another.
We'll meet again someday. What? Ready? Well, it is supposed to be frozen or melted snow. There she is.
Later.
So as you can probably tell, it's much later in the evening, and we are taking a trip to Disney's Polynesian Resort. We came here a couple years ago wanting to go to that Trader Sam's Club Tiki bar, but we ended up getting here too late, so we're gonna try again this year.
alright. Bear with me.
That's okay.
You're about to completely not have a clue what's going on in the world. Trust me, when it's done, you'll be happy.
My neck can breathe now. My sunburn can breathe. Maybe puts your hair up.
I don't think I have enough hair.
That's true.
Want to bet?
I'd like to see it.
Okay.
Looks good. Fancy.
A lot better than whatever I could do at home. Which sounds cool though.
Oh.
I'm gonna record this. I know this is your job, but are you also a professional hairstylist too?
No.
At home? Oh, okay. You look pretty.
Am I beautiful?
You are princess.
So beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So we walked over here and they have Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween stuff. You get Jack Skellington, the little pumpkins. Look at the shirt. If you got it, haunt it.
That's what I wearing that the other day.
That's my life motto.
Go ahead and buy that for our future kid.
You know, someone said on the Spirit Halloween video that we got them with the joke
Oh, really?
that they thought we were about to say we were having kids.
Not yet. 15 years.
I like the Goofy with the trick-or-treat bat. Whoa! We made it in, finally, after all this time. There's a, whoa! So the cool thing is when people order drinks, like interactive stuff happens. I kind of want to do the, let's see, I want to do, that looks cool just because of the cup.
Yeah.
But I kind of want to do this one to share because it comes out on fire.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Up above our heads, there's like the Tiki god up there. We just ordered the Ooh, we're underwater.
Was it ours?
No.
We are now on our way and proceeding on course for a voyage through space.
He's got to swim away.
We have angered the Tiki gods again, and we must appease these sacrificial. We everybody share with us. Make your sacrifices, throw in the magic dust.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's still raining!
Can't see him, he's up there.
And then, friends, we have your weapons to attack your members.
And that's why I ordered that one. I'm not sure, I've never had it before, but...
Yeah.
Oh, you changed your mind already?
I'm not a big, well, I was thinking about that, but I'm not a big rum.
Have you started eating the cinnamon?
What?
Have you ate the cinnamon?
Yeah?
Really?
Well, I guess. I don't know if it's cinnamon or not. I kind of missed when I threw some of it.
Oh, you did.
Well, you do this and you want to take it. It's good.
Well, Emily has decided that she does not like this,
I do like it. I just want to try something else. It's not strong enough for me.
and she's gonna get the shrunken zombie head. Hold on, something's happening. think this is yours. Oh, look.
Dying to meet you. That's cool.
It's too dark to see.
Put my flash on?
No. It's okay.
Again.
Once again, and we must appease her with this sacrificial beverage. We need everybody to chant Oa's name. Chant with us. Oa, 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 Oa. Make your sacrifices. Make the fire work. But it's not working. It's still raining. Oh, this is horrible. It feels so real. Why does this keep happening to us? Why, oh, why? Tell us. Oh, she's quiet. Oh, no. What is that sound? It's happening again! Crack the toes erupted! It's a volcano! Fuego, fuego! Alright, friends, I finally found your receipt to see
That was a lot of fun. I really liked that. It only took 2 years to be able to do it.
Sorry. $647 a night.
I really like the Polynesian. It would be nice to stay here. It's just a tad bit out of our price range. But that's okay. We can visit and pretend we have this much money. What are you doing?
Oh, what is your...
So we're back in our room now, and that was so much fun. I've wanted to do that for a couple years now, and I'm so glad we finally got to do it. And we got to keep the mugs. Not the same mugs that we were drinking out of. They gave us brand new ones. We got the Oa one over here. The Shrunken Zombie Head one. There's a better view of it out of the bubble wrap. It's really cool.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm. There we go. We got our zombie mug, our zombie head mug, next to our Walking Dead wine. And then the Oa. What are we gonna drink out of these? I don't foresee ever needing to drink out of this.
Well, you could put ice cream in there. Oh, we have fancy ice cream. Well, you can't make fried ice cream in that, but you could put something fried ice creamy like that in there.
Well, there you have it. This will be our fried ice cream bowl.
There you have it.
So that's gonna do it for tonight. Today's been a very fun, very tiring day, being out in the sun at the water park all day. So as always, thank you guys for watching.
I'll see you in the next one. Okay.